To get our Kicker LED rings to work with the Rockford speakers, the first thing that we're going to do is pre-drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit, and then we're gonna attempt to use the original screws that came with the Rockford speaker. They have this Allen on them. That way all the screws look the same. And then what we're going to do after that is attach the LED speaker ring into the boat and then attach the speaker to the ring. That way it doesn't look like it has different screws that are mismatched and it doesn't belong. After pre-drilling the LED ring, I went ahead and put the Allen screws in the speaker to see how far they stuck out of the bottom. I'm going to trim these with some mini bolt cutters that I have. And it's probably not a bad idea to test the actual LED ring before putting it in the boat. That way we won't have to take it back out later. The way these RGB lights work is the red is actually the red color, green is green, blue is blue, but it's triggered by negative. So this is where a lot of guys might have problems. The black wire is positive. So you'll apply positive here and then negative to whichever color you like. And you can actually vary the negative to make certain colors brighter or dimmer. So we're going to hook up on this battery. This one's positive. So we're going to try. We're going to have these rings just red. So we're going to try red out first. But I'll show you the other colors just so you can see what they look like. There's red. Green. Blue. And you can even mix colors too. You can combine 2 or 3 together. Like if we combine all of them, we won't quite get a white, but we'll get something that's close to it with all of them at the same time. It's like a yellow. Let's see. Maybe I didn't have it in there good enough. There we go. Next, what I did was use the screw holes in the speaker that are underneath the fake ones in the grill to mount the speaker through the trim ring and into the boat. Now I can back out the Allens that I pre-drilled, put the grill back on, and then put the Allens back through the grill. That way you won't even see the Phillips heads. Since these 2 screws that are next to each other, one of them just holds this metal grill in and doesn't continue through, so you won't even see that. Now this is what it looks like with the speaker mounted in place, with all the screws back in. And here are those mini bolt cutters that I use to trim the bolts down. Now I'll power it up one more time with a 9-volt battery before doing the rest of them. There it is. Just got 3 more to go in the bow area. And then 4 more on the side panels, 2 on each side.